Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. The set aptitude type questions and NTHP IBA preparation. I have selected some questions. Mostly they are SIR type equations, difference of two square situation, completing a square, and how to make any variable subject from the given equation. Number one, number one, we have given a equation in which square root is mentioned, square root, under root is mentioned, and it is also mentioned that if x is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. Greater than 0 means positive. If square root is positive, then it is meaningful. Meaningful, it is a real valued function. It is real valued function. If x is less than 0, then it is complex valued function. We are asked to solve 20 negative root x is equal to 2 over 3 times root x plus 10. Further, we have been restricted x is greater than 0 means x is positive. X is positive. Solve for x. Solve for x. It's really cool. Shift square root on one side and the numbers on the other. This root x is leaving its position from left to right. It will become positive root x on the right hand side, and this 10 from right to left, it will become negative because at the starting it is positive 10, towards left it is negative 10. So we have 20 minus 10 is equal to 2 over 3 root x plus root x. It's really cool concept. Directly add, one can take LCM, 3 is LCM, 2 times root x, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3 times root x, 20 minus 10 it's R10. Shift 10 from division to multiplication from right to left. 10 times 3 is equal to 2 times root x plus 3 times root x. It will become 5 times root x. It will become 5 times root x. Or one can comprehend the situation by taking root x common. We have 2 plus 3 root x, it is our 5. One can write 5 times root under x, that I have written here. It will become 10 times 30. 10 times 3 is 30 is equal to root 5 times root x. 5 times root. Shift 5 here from multiplication to division. 30 over 5 is equal to root x. We have root x is equal to 6. Squaring both sides. We have x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36. That's the answer of x is equal to 30x. It's positive. It's obvious. One can verify the situation by putting the value of plugging in the value of root x is 36. 20 minus 36 root is equal to 2 times 3 root x means 30x minus plus 10 plus 10. Making space for ourselves, it is something like 20 square root of 36 is 6 minus 2 over 3 square root of 36 is 6 plus 10. Applying table. 3 times 2 is 6. 20 minus 6 is 14. 2 times 2, 4 plus 10. 14 is equal to 14. R1 can verify. R1 can verify. We have been restricted x is greater than 0. It's really very cool concept. And don't get yourself bothered by the presence of root x. Root x, it's okay. Solve for root x. Minus negative 20x on the right hand side, it will become positive. We have taken LCM. It will become 5 times root under root x. Shift 10 here. 20 minus 10 is our 20 minus 10. We have 10. And finally, we have 30 is equal to 5 times root x dividing by 5. We have root x is equal to 6 squaring both sides. X is 36. X is 36. If we have given options, we can directly put and verify the situation. Whatever suits the equation, it's our answer. Moving towards next question. A good equation. Question number next, that is x minus c x1, difference of x and c is equal to difference of x square and c square. Which of the following, where c is positive, c is greater than 0, c is greater than 0, which one are the options? C, minus C, 1 minus C, or all of these? Look at this. Inspect the situation. It's really very easy. Otherwise, it is going to be something different. We can factorize this difference of two squares. X minus C times X plus C. Shift X minus C here. Are dividing both sides by X minus C. We have X minus C divided by X minus C. X minus C times x plus c divided by x minus c. Cancelled out, cancelled out. 1 is equal to x plus c. Solve for x. We have 1 minus c is equal to x. 1 minus c is equal to x. That's our answer in that case. That's our answer in that case. But a googly type fact is present here. I have divided by x minus c. I have taken out the factor x minus c common. X minus c common. So don't ignore it. Don't ignore it. It is a wonderful concept. To keep this intact, we have to find a root from this one, common factor. Common factor we have x minus c is equal to 0. It will give x is equal to c. X is equal to c. So we have the roots of x are, values of x are c and 1 minus c. C and 1 minus c. Not merely 1 minus c. Not merely 1 minus c. So this one and this one means both 1 and 3 are our solution. 1 and 3 are our solution. On inspection, it's really very cool concept. If you solve, you are going to get a single value. Single value. Whenever you get this one cancelled out, we have common factor x minus c. We have to equate this thing to 0 to get this value. Otherwise, it is going to be hidden or concealed. We have to explore this as well as we have to take account of this as well. X is equal to c and x is equal to 1 minus c. Both are the answer. Moving towards next question, we have. Moving towards next question, a googly type question, a wonderful question, that is 3 times root a minus root b overall raised 2 over 7. Simplify the situation. Simplify the situation. Simplify the situation. On inspection, 3 times root a negative b, we have 2 over c, 2 over 7. Just utilize the tiny concept. X raised m times n can be written as x times m overall raised n. Utilizing this fact here, we can write this as 3 times root a and negative b root b overall square raised 1 over 7. We can write 2 over 7 as 2 times 1 over 7. We can write 2 over 7 as 2 times 1 over 7. Now we are in a position to apply whole square formula, perfect square formula. Keep this thing intact and it is going to work wonderful for us. A square, first term square, negative twice, first into second plus square of second we have. That is 3 times root a square, 3 times root a times root b square, overall 1 over 7. 1 over 7 can be written as 7th root. 1 over 7th means 7th root. I have introduced the radical 7th root. Square of 3 is 7th root. Square of 3 is 9. Square and root cancel, merely a. 2 times 3 6. A times b in root ab plus square of b is merely b. Square of b is merely b. That is our tiny answer in that case. Tiny answer in that case. Look at this. At first, it seems to be a nasty bouncer. Nasty bouncer. Try to negotiate it. Try to negotiate it. 2 upon 7 can be written as 2 times 1 over 7 r. X times x raised m times n can be written as x times m overall raised n. Utilizing this fact here, 3 times root a minus root b square times 1 over 7. Apply whole square formula. A square negative twice, first into second square. 1 over 7. 1 over 7 means 7th root. 7th root. Square of 3, 9. Square of root a, only a. 2 times 3 times root a times root b. It will be 6 times root ab. Square of root b is merely b. That's our answer. Moving towards next question, we have. Moving towards next question, a wonderful, elegant question. 100% simple in appearance, but it will give you something out from you to solve it. You have a thorough concept in that case, then you are in a position to negotiate this question. We have 4 divided by x square minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 9. If x is the solution of the given equation, which of the following could be the value of x minus 3? We are interested to find the value of x minus 3. X minus 3 is ample hint to read this situation. X minus 3 is ample hint to read this situation. It is our whole square formula. We can write 4 over, this one can be written as x square, 2 times x times 3 plus 3 square. We have 9. Look at this. X square, I have written 2 times x times 3 plus 3 square. It has given me the hint. It's perfect square of x square minus 6x plus 9 is perfect square of this one. That is. So this one can be written as x minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. Or one can solve this as x square minus 6x plus 9. Middle term break up 1 9 the 9, 3 3 the 9 is the factors. Negative 3x, 8 gives negative 6x. Middle term break up. Taking x common, we have x minus 3, negative 3 common, we have x minus 3. Whenever we take minus common, we change all the upcoming symbols. Both brackets are identical, we are good to go. X minus 3 times x minus 3. Both brackets are identical, I can write x minus 3 whole square. That I have written. Shift x minus 3 square here, 9 here. I have 4 over 9 is equal to x minus 3 whole square. We are interested in the value of x minus 3. To get rid of this square, taking the square root both sides, 4 over 9, that is x minus 3 whole square. There, square root of 4 over 9, square root of this square and root cancel. The square of 2, square root of 2, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. So value of x minus 3 in that case is 2 minus 3, because it is given to us if x is a solution to this equation. X minus 3 is equal to 2 over 3. X minus 3 is the key in that case. X minus 3 gives us the hint that it is the perfect square of this one. We have drawn our attention toward this one. X minus 3 is a factor of this one. Yes, it's a perfect square of x minus 3. Then we have correct this. So we have a right option in that case. Value of x minus 3 is 2 minus 3. Moving towards final and wonderful question, we have. Moving towards next question, an elegant question. We have given v is equal to p times 1 minus r raised t. The value v of a car depreciates over t years according to the given equation, where p is the original price and r is the annual rate of the depreciation. Which of the following correctly expresses r in terms of v, p and t? We have given equation v is equal to p times 1 minus r over raised t, where v is the value of the car, p is the original price, r is the rate of depreciation, t is the time period. We are asked to solve for r. Solve for r in terms of v, p and t. Solve for r. R means rate. R, make r subject. Solve for x. We are interested in the value of r in terms of vpt. How to deal this? Dividing by p, we have v over p is equal to p times 1 minus r raised t divided by p. Cancelled out. We have v over p is equal to 1 minus r raised t. To get rid of this t, taking tith root on the both sides, getting rid of this overall power t, 1 minus r raised t. Getting rid of this power t, we take tith root on the both sides. We have taking tith root of v over p is equal to tith root of 1 minus r raised t. This t and t cancelled out. We have tith root of v over p is equal to 1 minus r. Tith root of v over p is equal to 1 minus r. Solve for r. Shift r here from right to left and shift tenth root of V over P on the left. We have R is equal to 1 minus tenth root of V over P. Tenth root of V over P. So we have make R subject. We have solved for R. So our answer is R is equal to 1 minus tenth root of V over P. Tenth root of V over P. Our correct option in that case is option A. Option A. See you in next video. It's all by itself next.